Yo, the followers are so fucking candy, so fucking fast. What the fuck is that? Stop! Hello beautiful people, I hope this video find you well. So in this video I'm gonna purchase 1000 followers, and I say I'm gonna make a video to show you exactly how we can do that with a simple way and best and cheapest platform in the world that guaranteed no drops, no scam like others. So please don't skip any part in this video, because if you skip you may miss crucial details like how to make a payment or how to choose the best service. So make sure you watch this video until the end to get a full picture. So what do we gotta do right now? I'm gonna search for the platform that is called in my real followers. Click on it. Okay, so yeah, so this one. Yeah. Okay, so this is the platform. How is luck? Okay. Oh, that is looking good. I'm gonna choose Instagram followers. Okay. Is the reviews. So there's like 3 options: high quality followers and active followers. Okay, so I'm gonna choose it's like 1000 followers. I'm gonna click for buy now. Okay, so what is that? Is your account link? Okay, so I'm gonna choose my account link. So it's like the same you can do in the phone. For example, in the phone you can come to here and just you're gonna click for share, then copy link, pass it like that, and just I have to enter my email address like that, and I click for continue. So here we have 3 option payments. For example, if you want to pay with credit card, with the Visa, MasterCard, and if you want to pay with crypto, all of that it's working. I'm gonna click for credit card to show you how is log. For example, you're gonna pay with Visa or with Apple Pay. Click on it. So like it's looking like that. And this is the second payment. If you want to pay with Stripe, it's the same. This one is working for all of the cards. So just click for pay now. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna enter like squid here and here Anthony. It's like that. Then click continue to payment. Here we go. So this is how it's like if you want to pay with Stripe. Okay, so you're gonna pay also with link. Okay, let's get it back. So you're gonna pay with the first option or the second option, but the first one, if your card being declined, you're gonna pay with the second one. Okay, but me, I'm gonna choose the first payment. I will select my Visa like that, enter my card information. So this is my card. Okay, like that. Anthony, then click for pay. Okay, so in this case I received the code. It's like 58 like 44. Now click for submit. 1 second, let me see. I'm gonna refresh the page. As you can see, the payment has been successfully completed. Return to store. So this is the thank you page, and I received like email by saying that my order has been completed.
A few moments later.
Yo, the followers are so fucking coming so fucking fast. What the fuck is that? Stop! Oh, let me check the quality. So let me see. Is this one? What the fuck? This one having 7,000 followers and follow me? Holy fucking shit. Oh my gosh, bro. If you try this platform, please let me know in the comment below to see your experience, how it sound. See you in the next video.